What to disclose on a seller property condition disclosure. Seller disclosures are usually not set until you're under contract, but I recommend a different take. The purpose of the disclosure is to ensure that you are safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest reviewing disclosures with your agent prior to the home going on the MLS or prior to buyers seeing the home. We want buyers to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer, so it ensures the buyer doesn't back out from things they should have already been made aware of. This is actually a safety net for not only the buyer but also the seller. Anything from a toilet change to a flooded basement needs to be disclosed. I'm happy to say that after 5 years of selling homes, I have never had a lawsuit, so this is important to understand. When you are selling anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed, it needs to be disclosed. So if you've painted the walls, you've cleaned and changed the carpets, you've added new lighting, or you fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is mostly and always going to be yes. Over-disclose is better than under-disclose and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home, the area, etc., that could have a negative impact on the desirability or price of the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you if they want to go to court or want to try to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose. Right now is a great time to sell. If you're thinking of selling, then call me for a free market analysis. We have options. I'm Charisse with Shocker Property and Equity Real Estate. Have a shocking home buying and selling day.